Hey, everybody.
That's Julie.
They can't see your flashing.
You can't see my flashing lights? How about now?
That's Robert.
Hey, and it's our thing.
So, we just got through doing a little
We
boys'
still don't care.
No, we don't.
No.
Anyway, we are doing a little girls' haul now. So, I just went through and kind of picked some random things, and we'll probably get more to add to this later. And, I got 2 puzzles for them. One is Minnie Mouse. It's a bow. And the other one is Royal Friendships.
You know anybody in Big Stone Gap, Virginia?
I've never heard of Big Stone Gap, Virginia.
Me neither.
What are you trying to do?
Turn it off.
We bought this.
This is for my sister.
It's got different flashers on it.
She wears weird stuff for her job, so.
And it cuts on and it does this. And it does this. And it just stays on.
And it goes off. It's got a button you push on it.
But you can also give this to a little kid. This would be kind of cool. They would enjoy it. Okay.
So anyway, back to our regularly scheduled program.
Okay, so in the little boys' haul, we picked up some coloring books. And I picked up a couple of girl coloring books. I picked up the Care Bears. It would even go for a little boy. And then I know that girls love the LOL, OMG dolls and stuff. And I got a coloring book for that. And then
More
I got
crayons.
2
More
crayons.
crayons.
One is neon crayons and the other one is metallic. So, you know.
Bling, bling.
You can put these in a basket for a girl.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be under $15 on this one. But anyway, we got 2 things of Crayolas. Then we got another spiral thing that we did like the boys.
This is more geared color-wise to what the girls use. So.
Yeah, the boys are have the orange and yellow. And then I got 2 of these little
dollhouse thing.
Fashion dollhouse with furniture. And it's even got little people in it. Look, little people.
Yeah.
But anyway, and it's, you know, it's just something real simple. You could put this stuff in a bag for a child for under $5.
Yep.
We bought 2 of everything except for the spiral thing, and then that's in the boys, and the socks and this for the girls. And this is the Play-Doh that we bought. This is strawberry and orange, and it's by Crayola. And this could be girl or boy.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got
some girly socks.
Some little girl socks.
Yep.
Tie-dye. Every girl's got to have pink. Unless you're your sister.
That's my sister, yeah. My sister doesn't like pink. She's a green person.
But anyway, this is all under $14. And like I said, you can put socks. You can put this, the spiral thing, the crayon books, and the puzzles, and the Play-Doh. You can put in a bag, and you've got a good Christmas present for a kid. It'll keep them busy forever. At least 4 hours. But why do you want to go spend $40 on a dollhouse? Oh, no. They're $150 now on a dollhouse.
Ouch.
That they're going to tear up within 2 weeks.
Yep. Ouch.
No. Not me.
No.
Not me.
And I mean, you know, it depends on the age that they use these,
but they did have different colors.
Yeah. So give you a little variety. Hey, that's even got sofas and chairs and a bed and so that's got some accessories to go with it. Ouch. It's got accessories to go with it. That's kind of cool. It says here it's got a house, a bed, a couch, 2 chairs, a TV stand, a table, a cabinet, 2 dolls, and it's got it.
Friend, one Maycium, one lit.
It's in a different language, probably Spanish. Yeah.
Chases, table.
Yeah. So I mean, it's people can read it. And it's something different. It's at least it's something different.
And you know. Kids don't ask for much. Most kids don't know what name brand is. Why buy name brand when they're going to just tear it up?
Yep. So, anyway.
That's our little girl haul.
That's our little girl haul. And she's still Julie.
And he's still Robert.
And it's our thing.
We don't care.
Please like and subscribe. It helps us out to make more videos for
It
y'all.
helps our channel.
I know it's been a while since we've had some because we've been down under the weather. And
I had to finally go to the doctor on Thursday.
yeah, so we're getting that all cured, but we're going to be a little more present. And we appreciate you viewing our video. Thank you.
Well, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.